to this week's STEAM Challenge. I'm Debbie from Keystone Library, and today we're going to be making peanut butter. I want to give you a little history about peanuts first, though. Peanuts, peanut butter, and peanut candies are probably one of the most popular products in the United States. As an average, every American eats about 6 pounds of peanut products every year. That's a lot of peanuts. The history of peanuts is a journey from South America, across the Atlantic Ocean, and then back to North America. The peanut plant was probably originated in either Peru or Brazil in South America. As early as 1500 BC, the Incans of Peru used peanuts as sacrificial offerings and entombed them with their mummies to afterlife. European explorers first discovered peanuts in Brazil, and the Spanish took them back to Europe, back to Spain, and then they were traded to Asia and Africa during all the different explorations. Then Africans were the first people to introduce peanuts to North America, beginning in the 1700s. Peanut butter was introduced at the St. Louis World's Fair in 1904 and became a source of delicious protein during the first 2 world wars. Dr. John Harvey Kellogg of cereal fame invented a version of peanut butter in 1895. Then it is believed a St. Louis physician may have developed another version of peanut butter to help his older patients with bad teeth who couldn't chew meat anymore. That would give them protein by having peanut butter. Peanuts and peanut butter became an integral part of the armed forces during World War I and World War II. And it is believed the U.S. Army invented the peanut butter and jelly sandwich for their soldiers. So today we're going to make some peanut butter. And it's very, very easy. All you need are peanuts, dry roasted, some honey. If you want cinnamon, you don't have to, but that could be added a little, and some salt. Now, all you need for this is going to make about 2 cups of peanut butter for your eating pleasure. You take 2 cups of peanuts. Now, they're already roasted in these cans, but they also suggest to pop them in a toaster oven just to heat them up a little bit because it will release the oils and help make the peanut butter creamier. So I have measured out 2 cups of peanuts. I'm going to pour them in my food processor. Then all you have to do, oops, let's put it on correctly. I have this turned around so we can all see it. There you go. We're just going to put it on for 1 minute, okay? After 1 minute, this is what it should look like, crushed peanuts. Now, if you like crunchy peanut butter, you might want to take a scoopful of the peanuts out of this and reserve it for the end to put back in your creamy peanut butter. We're going to have to process these for 4 more minutes. So I'm just going to turn this on, and then the magic of peanut butter will happen. As you can see, it's starting to get a little clumpier. You might also want a spatula to push down, and you're going to start feeling that it's getting a little wetter. The oils are starting to come out of the peanut. Now it's starting to get creamy because you see the peanuts are starting to form into a ball, and it will keep getting creamier. All right, the peanut butter is just about done. It's been processing for about 4.5 minutes. Now we can put in, you can use honey or sugar. I prefer honey because it adds to the creaminess. And you really only need about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of honey for this amount of peanuts. So let me put in about 1 right now. And don't worry if you don't get all of it out because honey is sticky, as we know. We'll get that in there. go. And I'm going to add just a little bit of cinnamon, just a pinch. You don't have to though. And then also, since we bought the unsalted nuts, I have a little bit of salt because you do want to, salt actually makes things taste sweet, which is interesting when you think about it, but it does. It brings out the sweetness of different things, so that will help with the peanut butter. Then we'll do one more quick mix and it'll be done. Once you've made your peanut butter, you can just sit and eat the whole thing if you want. But if you feel like saving it, you can put it in a jar and it will last for about 2 weeks, especially if you put it in the refrigerator when you're not eating it. Enjoy!